Hello, friends! Today we're embarking on an exciting culinary journey to vibrant Mexico. And not just for any reason, but to prepare one of the most popular and delicious Mexican dishes, tacos. You'll be amazed at how easy they are to make at home, and your loved ones will be thrilled with the taste. Ingredients. So, to prepare tacos, we'll need corn or wheat tortillas, chicken fillet or beef, 300 grams avocado, 1 piece tomatoes, 2 pieces, red onion, 1 piece fresh cilantro, a small bunch lime, 1 piece salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, to taste olive oil. Cooking process. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Cut the chicken fillet or beef into thin strips. If you have a favorite marinade, use it. But I suggest a simple option. Mix olive oil, salt, pepper, cumin, and paprika. Pour this marinade over the meat and let it sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegetables. Dice the avocado, chop the tomatoes into small pieces, and slice the red onion into thin rings. Finely chop the fresh cilantro. Cut the lime in half to squeeze juice over our tacos before serving. Now, sauté the meat in a hot pan until it's cooked through. This usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. As it cooks, the meat should turn golden brown and become very aromatic. While the meat is cooking, prepare the tortillas. They can be either corn or wheat. The choice is yours. Toast them in a dry skillet for a few seconds on each side to make them warm and soft. Assembling the tacos. Now for the fun part, assembling the tacos. Take a tortilla, layer on some pieces of meat, add tomatoes, avocado, red onion rings, and sprinkle everything with fresh cilantro. Before serving, drizzle with lime juice. This will add an unbeatable fresh flavor. Conclusion: your traditional Mexican tacos are ready. Serve them on plates and enjoy. These tacos are a true celebration of taste and color. I'm sure you'll do great. Don't be afraid to experiment and add your favorite ingredients. Friends, share in the comments how your tacos turned out and let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and click the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. See you next time. Buen provecho!